Hey, it's Gil at Skipley Farm. Here I have a very small stick from Steve Head Home, a red-fleshed, one of his breeding stock. And this is how to make scion wood stretch. This will be a 2-bud graft. It's got a bud at the tip and a side bud. And it happens to be about, what do we have? No, it's about 4 millimeters in diameter. Anyway, I'm going to show you in bits and pieces as I put the phone down how to do a whip and tongue on this less than 1 inch graft. Alright, onto bud 9 rootstock. Actually, this is bud 10, a little bit bigger than bud 9. And I bought 1,000 1/8 inch just for these purposes because I have a lot of 1/8 inch stock. Typically 2 to 3 buds on each graft, but when scion wood is precious, I do 1 bud. And it's important not to seal the top bud because moisture will push out of the rootstock and rot that bud. Anyway, I'm going to pause this and catch you up on the next cut. Okay, here is the next cut. That was the Tina knife going into the Tina 606, going into a let me pull this out. Right, that's the tongue. That little cut is about 10 or 12 millimeters long. And I will inspect the, let's see how close we can get here. See the lines on the interior of that cut? It's a complete oval. It's important. And I'm going to do that same oval on the rootstock. Okay, here's the matching cut on the rootstock, and I'm about to do the tongue. That's 1/3 of the way from the apical end, the right side, and 1/3 of the way through, just like the other one. Here is the finished whip and tongue, and as you can see, you can barely see the cuts, the wound, everything matches. Now I'll tape it up with the parafilm. It'll only take about 1 inch. Okay, there's the taped up whip and tongue graft, and so that's on bud 10, and I made all total out of 1 6-inch piece of wood. I made 7 trees. Anyway, where are we going to focus here? Sorry. There. 1 bud, right? And 1 bud. 1 bud. And these will all be successful, no doubt. I'm going to say it's important not to put the plastic over the bud because it can push out moisture and decay that 1 bud. That's not a good thing. Anyway, this is Gil at Skipley Farm. I hope you enjoyed this.